Okay, we are making homemade pizza dough, Miss Aurelia is. What all goodies go in it? Or
olive oil.
Olive oil.
Yeast.
Yeast.
Sugar.
Sugar.
Flour.
Flour.
Salt.
Salt. Yeah. And they got a bread machine the other week. And so we're making some homemade pizza dough. I've never seen this done, by the way. Yeah, you can tell I don't cook a lot, I guess. Now, how long does this have to do this? That is so cool.
It will do that for a while, then it will rest, and then it will do it some more, and then it will warm up a little bit and make it rise.
Oh, this is so cool.
Take an hour and a half.
Now, where did you get this bread machine from?
Steve bought it off Amazon.
Amazon? Okay.
He bought one at the thrift store, but he decided he didn't like that one because he didn't work, so he bought me a new one.
And what's the brand name on it, or?
Sunbeam.
Sunbeam. Okay. This is just so cool, I think. Oh my God.
I'm gonna try a little bit of it if you want. There's no eggs in it.
Oh no, I'll wait till it's done. I don't guess I'll fit. It just does this for a good while, is that right?
Yeah.
And then the next step is just to stretch it out on a pan or something?
Well, it will sit for a while in that pan there. And then it might beat it a couple more times. And then the pan will warm up. And then it will rise. And then that's when you pull it out, you punch it, and you slide it on the pan.
Wow, you can tell I don't cook that much, huh?
No, not at all.
Okay, so you said this machine will beep when it goes to the next step?
Yeah.
Okay, and what about the lights you were saying?
There's all these different types of breads you can make. There's even a jam setting.
Okay.
So you just select which type by the number.
Oh,
then you can select light cook or dark cook. And if you're doing 1.5 or a 2 pound.
Oh, wow.
And then you just press start. Or you can do plain dough like we're doing.
Okay. All right. That's so cool. As you can see, the bread is already starting to rise. So this is step 2, Aurelia, right?
Yeah.
That what you would consider? Okay. This machine is awesome for people who like to make bread. Yeah. So much easier than doing it by hand.
Oh, million.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Hold on. My son is home, and he is going to finish the bread process, I think. Yes. You're fixing to roll it out, right? Okay.
This also you wanted this one.
So we're dumping it on the pan that we have put some grease on, oil on rather. Oh, that looks delicious. Yummy.
I think you might need more flour because this is sticky.
I think you might need more flour because it's sticky.
Oh, I think you may need more flour because this is sticky. Well, la-di-da.
How can you not complain? I'm just saying.
Look at you, a
Look
typical
at
man.
stickiness.
Look at them hands in there. This reminds me of Ghost. Aurelia, you want to get behind them and do Ghost where they're playing in the flour?
It's not a hand flowers, Ma.
Playing in the dough. Well, that's what they do in the movie Ghost.
Pottery.
Did you see that movie Ghost? You have, well, the woman's actually doing it, and then the man gets, and they're both helping stretch the dough or something. Oh, look. This is so fun. I have never made homemade bread or pizza dough. I guess that just tells you a lot, but I haven't.
It was sweet when I started.
Look at that. That looks so fun. It looks so perfect. Gosh. Look at that. See, that is just awesome.
Bake that dough.
Yes, bank it. Beat it. Harder.
You've been a bad boy.
So you got to beat the dough until it has the right, what is it? I don't know. So how do you know when you beat it long enough?
Because it stopped talking back.
Oh, mercy. Aurelia and Mr. Steve is making homemade pizza crust for me. Ouch.
If you only heard what he said.
What did you say, Stephen? What did you say?
It's been a bad boy.
Uh-huh.
Honey.
I mean, what's going on here? It's getting all sticky. It's
Wait,
like,
did you flour your little hands?
it's like releasing stuff.
What is it with men? They don't like to get their hands dirty.
You can get more flour on your hands.
Your dad had dirt all in between his nails.
Well, what do you think
He
I had?
was a construction worker. Huh?
He's got an excuse to have dirt in his hands.
Yeah. Now, look at you. Oh. Oh, that looks so perfect.
Can't wait till your grandma sees this video.
We might have to title it X, triple X, I don't know.
No, don't do that.
That looks so perfect.
You just need to put it in the corners now.
Okay,
And not make the middle flat because it's going to have a hole, like there's a bubble.
Stephen, do you think your dad left me because I didn't make homemade bread?
Yes.
Oh gosh, I've always wondered why. I wasn't much of a cook, and they say the way to a man's heart's through his stomach. Dang. Well, if I get married again, I'm going to wait till I'm 99 years old. That way, hopefully, they can go the distance with me.
The distance of
Yeah.
1 year?
If I live to be 99, that is.
Aren't you 70 now?
Huh?
Aren't you 70 now?
I'd like you to know I'm not no 70. No.
68's close.
75?
I'm not 75 either.
If she's not 70. She's not 75.
No. No.
So you're 80.
Okay. No, I'm not. Anyway, get back to the
That's what I meant.
dough.
That's what I meant.
That looks so
Are
perfect.
you sure?
That looks so perfect. Look at that.
It's kind of wrinkled like your skin, Mom.
As much as I condition my skin, you want to say that? I use Ivy moisturizer from Walmart.
People don't use Ivy from
Well, I use it, and it does my skin so perfect.
I don't think it does.
I do not have no crow feet because of Ivy.
Can you put the dough on the thing?
Yeah.
Or eat it?
Okay.
I don't need that.
There's no egg in it.
So now we're gonna put the sauce on there.
Mm-hmm.
Stephen, you're lucky that you have a wife that cooks for you.
Steve can cook.
I cook very well.
So what brand is that on the pizza sauce or what?
Some sauce from Hy-Vee.
Ivy. Okay.
It's not the sauce I would normally use. He didn't want to go to Walmart, so we had to go to Hy-Vee and get sauce that we'd never tried instead of.
Oh really? Well, it'll probably still be good. Yeah.
That sauce.
It tastes like salsa instead of pizza sauce.
Oh, that looks like it's gonna be great though. You know. How long does it have to cook?
15 minutes maybe.
Really? Oh. This looks so perfect. I bet this is going to be delicious. Yeah.
You have to wait till it's cooked.
You guys got to try this homemade bread at home. Yeah, because it just looks totally delicious to me.
Bread, Ma, is pizza.
I'm sorry, pizza. Okay, but it's still bread.
No, it's
Pizza
not
bread, homemade pizza crust, okay?
Well, I mean, it's still flour.
Yeah, and I love all that cheese you're putting on it. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, we're just going to have the rest of the bag on that.
They're going to be sending me back home 20 pounds heavier. But then, when I get to work, I'm going to work it off, I'm sure, really quick. But, yeah.
Please tell me your secret.
Working it off at work,
Wow,
yeah.
okay.
Sweating to the golden oldies because it's incredibly hot at work. Huh? Wait, what did you say? Don't say nothing to me. I heard what you said. What'd you say?
Nothing.
Okay. Okay.
He literally went nothing.
Nothing. Oh, this is going to be a pepperoni pizza.
No. They're probably just under the instrument.
So what is your pleasure, guys? Because we're...
Like sexual pleasure?
No. Okay. I do not need to edit this video. No, I meant what's your pleasure in terms of the toppings, yeah.
You know, there's a couple different
delicious. Steven, can I tell you something? I am doing a live video. I'm doing coverage of this pizza. I don't need to edit because listen, when I get my monetization back, they will cause me not to be able to monetize it with talking here, okay?
But
Will you stop?
Just a camel.
Wait, do you mind?
That's not even anything.
Steven, you ought to be a comedian. You would make a fortune.
He can't be this funny in front of strangers, though.
He's only funny around people he knows.
I'm trying to think.
delicious.
You're right. But like if you like some onions or green peppers or mushrooms or banana peppers or apples or pineapple or any of that good stuff, you can always add it to it. Yeah. But for today's purposes,
never had an apple.
we're only adding pepperoni.
No.
Yeah.
I have not. Have you?
No.
Oh, you put it on there so perfect, Aurelia.
Because I was a pizza.
Oh, really?
I ran a pizza place for about 4.5 years.
Oh, wow. No wonder you know how to cook. Ah. S'more, s'more, s'more. You're going to take pepperoni? Oh, gosh. Oh, my goodness. Look at him. He's taking some pepperonis. S'more will stay and beg for food all day long. S'more and my Oreo, which is a male cat, are so much alike. They totally want your attention all day. Yeah. So now we're going to put it in the oven, I guess, huh?
When the oven preheats.
Oh, how much longer is that going to be?
I didn't think about turning it on.
You already did that, right? You added a little bit of Parmesan cheese onto the pizza before putting it in the oven. And what temp are we going to cook it on?
350.
350 for approximately, you said 15 minutes or so?
Give or take, yeah.
Yeah, give or take. You just want to be sure your dough obviously is done on the inside, which I'd recommend a toothpick in the middle or a butter knife or something another. Yeah. So we're just waiting for the oven to preheat and then we're going to stick it in.